joining Voices for Inclusion, I was expecting to meet the other organizations. I was expecting to learn the different good practices of each organization.
My expectation is to really learn a lot from this collaboration of the different organizations.
I wanted to know more about the different organizations and particularly in their best practices.
Well, the general assessment is that things are going very well. I can see that the organizations are very much engaged and they're very much willing to learn and to share with each other and to learn from each other, which is what this project is about.
I have so many things learned, pero yung siguro i-emphasize ko na nagustuhan ko is yung mga best practices nila that we could others could replicate.
For me, the two organizations, the LoveLife and the Vitualahan, is a very innovative organization, and I like the advocacy and I like goals of every organization.
So today I learned about different opinions from LoveLife, Vitualahan, as well as A2D. So it is interesting.
Welcome to the 10K Roses of Cordova.
One thing that we like about the persons with disability organizations here in the Philippines is we make it intentional and we make an effort to talk to each other.
I learned a lot. I learned the different practices done by the different organizations from Cebu and Davao. And I learned about intersectionality.
There's this feeling of self-fulfillment for them. Aside from their having self-confidence, they also feel fulfilled.
On our first day, we will introduce the A2D and the Vitualahan to the LoveLife Project's vision and mission and our goals and how we utilize media to amplify and engage our target beneficiaries and also our target audience or community. On the second day, we're glad and they are very fortunate because it will be the second year of the Yahademic Digital Intelligence and Health Summit and Movie Festival, and we will immerse them in our activity on that day, wherein they'll be seeing some of our advocacy movies, and we would like to test if they feel the same with regards to intersectionality.
What I learned from LoveLife is engaging media is very important if you want your advocacy to really come across, especially to a more wider reach of audience.
I've learned about how to engage using technology, particularly in media, and how powerful video presentation is.
The most striking learning that I got from being exposed to these two organizations is the importance of digital and media in terms of amplifying your advocacy.
For disabled people's organizations, non-government organizations, local government units, the community, and the Cebu DIDR network to be capacitated, because we need also to learn about disability.
The first root cause is qualifications of PWD talents. So what does it mean to say? PWDs in our educational system, they're actually not prepared.
For us, all our challenges and problems come from, yes, the Bible, misinformation.
So there's poverty, underemployment, 40% unemployed, and out of that 40% is 50% underemployed.
Because of misinformation, there is ineffective communication. So the marginalized have no voice or merely having a voice.
If you are not counted, then less ka sa ibibigay na service para sa iyo sana.
Clear ba yung inyong direction para marating yung inyong gustong puntahan? how do you link it with your previous experiences, and how will this contribute to your overall BMG as an organization? So at the end, parang it's up to you pa rin. If you can balance all those things, it's fine.
It's really nice to meet different organizations who are doing different advocacies and doing different voices for a lot of marginalized sectors.
Well, I admire the advocates that I met in Cebu and Davao, and I saw how passionate they are with their advocacies.
So dito ko na-realize na naku, ang malaki palang role ng kung mag-collaborate ka, i-integrate mo yung mga programa mo sa ibang organization.
We must currently with the funders or donors who are really willing to support initiatives like this that are focused on, that are helping marginalized groups and focus sa intersectionality and advocacy.
We're working with people with disabilities, indigenous peoples, and ethnic minorities.
Event so that we can expose our students who have no opportunity to go out to bring the marginalized youths to the university instead, and hope to forge an alliance that's stronger than ever.
The corporate foundations are looking for is for projects that are actually that would have to be done in the communities.
Because we thought, we're confident that what we are doing in inclusive education is really something innovative that no one does.
Because I think innovation in our case is very specific to us. But maybe that's the key that I want to share with everybody when we think about innovation.
But because of those networkings, I met those people from NGOs and other NGOs.
And it's very hard in the Philippines kasi pag sinabi mo yan, kailangan panindigan mo kasi walang maniningil sa'yo.
Yeah, we also collect professional fees, but we use admin fees. Professional fees.
But I hope na hindi dito magtapos yung inyong conversation. I hope that this is just a start. I hope that you can continue it in the parang upcoming ones.
I was invited to talk about what does innovation and learning mean when you apply for grants in the CSO NGO world. And yeah, so it was a good opportunity to actually see how people saw what innovation meant and what can you learn from innovation.
I think, especially the learning event this afternoon, it's eye-opening. Getting now the guests join us in this experience, and just learning that the things that we plan to do, a lot of organizations is already doing it, and validating the work that we're already doing.
So my takeaway is that the importance of patience and will, also your heart to really create or to really leave an impact.
Well, as media practitioner, I was trained to tell my story from the different perspectives, from the different layers of a person's narrative. It was always about multidimensional characters. And now with the LoveLife Project, with our advocacy, we are always about being holistic and integrative. In fact, it's like intersectionality is what we are.
Do, re, mi,
Fa, sol, la, si, do!
Do.
I think it went well. It was, for me personally, as a facilitator, it was challenging at first because I saw how different the organizations are, and you are really doing different things.
It was great to see how different kinds of groups, different kinds of organizations can work together and really see what kinds of innovations and risk-taking projects they can do.
The feedback also from the sharing itself, it seems that each organization took a lot of insights from the other organization. So